What is up everyone, my name is Alex and welcome to another episode of Fold. Today we're gonna be following up the previous video and I'm gonna show you how to make kimchi fried rice. Kimchi fried rice is an excellent way to use up all your kimchi, but it's also very easy and quick to make. So, let me show you. To get started, what you're gonna need is gochujang paste, sesame oil, green onion, kimchi, which is the primary ingredient, and most importantly, day-old and chilled rice. So, this is where it begins. 1 cup of water. Well, kind of. To estimate how much rice you're gonna need, use about 300 grams, give or take. Wash the rice to get rid of the dirt and get rid of all the extra starch, which will make the rice stick together. You will need this, a rice cooker. You can cook the rice in a pot, but that's too annoying. Once the rice has been washed, just put it into the rice cooker and fill it with water. What you will need to do if you are using the cooker for the first time, use the plastic measurer and the numbers on the bowl for water. After everything has been measured, check where the water reaches your finger. That way you will always know how much water rice needs. Lastly, just season the water. I like to use universal seasoning. And that's how you cook rice properly. Heat up vegetable oil in a wok. Before adding the oil to the pan, make sure that your pan is actually hot. That's a rookie mistake. After the oil is heated up, put the kimchi in the wok and fry for 1 minute. While the kimchi is getting fried, dissolve 2 teaspoons of gochujang in the kimchi juice and set it aside. Once the kimchi has been reduced for about a minute, put in your day-old chilled rice. I can't stress this enough. So throw the rice into the wok and stir it or toss it. Following that, throw in the dissolved gochujang and stir in again. In the end, put some sesame oil into the wok and fry a tiny bit and set it aside. The most important part of this video is the sunny side up egg. Heat up a tiny bit of oil and crack the egg in carefully so the yolk doesn't break. Lower the heat to low/medium. This will allow the egg to cook for longer and not burn. Season to taste and let it fry until the sides start to go golden brown. To make sure the whites are cooked, stir in the oil on top of the egg. That way you know that the whites are not runny. So, the cooking is done. Now for the garnish and plating. For the garnish, cut some green onions and put them on top of the egg. Lastly, burst the egg and allow it to roll down to the rice. If you have rice and kimchi, this is a quick and easy thing to do and it's great for lunch and dinner. That's it. The end. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new and please do remember to subscribe and like down below. It really helps me a lot, so thank you very much.